How's it going, everyone? Alex with Jeeps Limited here. So today, this is a short video, just kind of an exciting day. The past few days, whatever, I've been kind of wrenching on this thing a bit again. You'll see in some of my previous videos, I got the steering column kind of rebuilt, replaced all the electronics inside of it, and got that installed. And I put the dash in, cleaned it up, and it looks really nice. Couple other things I've been doing, just odds and ends. I got the clutch fluid filled. I got the brakes filled and bled pretty well. I just gravity bled them. They'll probably need to be done again, but they're working. Just a couple other odds and ends stuff that I don't really need to rattle off. So I finally decided I'm just going to throw the shifter in it and try and drive it, see what happens. And it worked. I've actually already done it. So I know that it works. I only had one small issue that I was able to fix, which you'll see. Otherwise, it's the short video. I'm just excited about it. It's just getting closer and closer to being able to drive it here. So it's pretty exciting for me. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Anyways, not much to see other than it driving in and out of my garage a couple of times. But, you know, that's pretty exciting to me. So here you go. Just a little bit of action. The clutch doesn't work right. have 5 forwards and a reverse now. Well, that may not have been that exciting for you guys to watch, but it's really exciting for me. The transmission works, which is awesome because me and Eric rebuilt it, and haven't even so much as put the shifter on it before to see if we had all the gears. That was just the first time I've ever put the shifter on to see if it does anything, and it seems to work, which is good. Since making that video and now me talking right now, I've put the 4-wheel drive shifter on. Seems like the 4-wheel drive is working. I've driven it up and down the driveway a bit. Brakes are working. There was one little fitting was leaking a little bit, which I fixed, I think. I don't believe it's leaking anymore. So the brakes are working. I got to clean up the lines just a little bit. I'm not super happy with them, but they're good enough. Everything seems to be working pretty good. I've put 0.3 miles on it driving up and down my driveway. So pretty much roadworthy at this point, if you ask me. So anyways, just a fun video. Super happy that it's driving. It hasn't moved under its own power like that, or so much as left my garage in 4 years. So pretty exciting. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.